So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos using template on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Here you can see the options of plus button. You can click on it. And here you will see the option called create. Tap on it. Then you will see various kinds of options here which you want to create your photos, videos. Here I'll create this. Now tap on try this template. Here you will see the options where you can put varieties of photos. I'll choose for mine. I only have three. So I'll try this, and this. Now tap on next and wait for seconds. So see, from click on next, then you can type your caption here and you can add beautiful hashtag here, and you can tap on post so your videos will go on live on TikTok. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.